I'm Howard and welcome back to my channel. And thanks for joining the family. Alright, let's go.
1, 2, 3. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Howard, and as usual, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you've been here before, you can like the video for now because you know you're gonna like it. Big up yourself. Today I have a special guest and she'll introduce herself right
Hey guys, IamSari, and you'll find the link to my channel in his description box, hopefully.
Yes sir, definitely. So guys, don't forget to tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. On this episode of Why Not Wednesdays, we'll be talking about relationships, and it's just like, yeah. Do guys secretly like clingy girls? And I feel like this is only fair that I had a girl on here to give, like, you know, insight, because I don't know, because man always say them not want a clingy girl. Or
so who you like? You like clingy girls?
It kind of is a mix, because like, I don't want she not talk to me. Like, I don't want she check in for me, but I don't want she annoy me. You see me? You feel like guys secretly like
I feel
clingy
like
girls?
it's 50-50. I mean, it depends on the time. Because, you know, say, even if we're together, right? And you're there on your friends, you're not going to want me sure.
Sorry.
You're not going to want me like, you know, cling to you there on your dogs, and you know, like a space and you on your dog time.
Alright, so
but
what?
then differently now, when we're not up on the scene, you know.
Alright, so what you classify as too clingy?
Why?
Like, you as a girl,
I am
you ever feel like
super
you're a bit annoying?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
But do you stop when you feel like you're a bit annoying?
No, let me tell you, it is annoying to you,
yeah?
but it's not annoying to me. But me know say it annoying to
so
you.
So you don't care if
so
your partner annoyed?
Stop do it because you find it annoying, but me not gonna stop do it because it's what I do.
Alright, what you call? Alright, we know what clingy, like an itch up one person.
Yeah,
but where you don't like draw the line as too clingy? Like, as a girl to a guy, where you draw the line as too clingy?
As I say, it depends on the situation.
Alright, in your relationship, where you draw as too clingy?
Not too clingy in a relationship. It is as how it is to be. You're there to somebody else, so yeah. No, but not true. That's what me like.
Alright, so you feel like guys just put up a front and they look like when girls jump on the
Sometimes they want to look, you know. They want to look a certain way, so they don't want you to do certain things. But when them tell us they have the scene and now you're looking corner, them are the biggest, baby.
So the truth is, guys like when girls be clingy?
I think so. Sometimes.
So just a front?
No, but sometimes I have some bad man out there, you know, when they really do their something, they still, you know.
As in at all? Off the scene or on the
so,
scene?
Yeah, sometimes.
You ever deal with a bad man?
We ever deal with a... No.
We need a girl who deal with a bad man. You never deal with a bad man?
No.
You ever deal with a man who like just too rough?
It depends. But we can do that video the one next time. You know?
Insight!
But yeah, I feel
love
like
it here.
50-50. It depends on the situation.
Alright, which one your friend him? No. You have a friend and like the way she be like, you're like, nah, she kinda annoying, she kinda too clingy upon the man.
You have a friend?
Like, or somebody where you see, or like a relationship where you see and you realize like the girl kinda, like she seem overbearing, like a boy go out, or for example me. Alright. I don't know if I want to think with like clingy girls or whatever, but I'll be out with my friends.
Howard likes clingy girls?
No, wait.
Oh, no, okay.
I'll be out with my friends, you see me? And first of all, I'm going to tell you something about my friend. So I'm going to expect if you call me them. Like, I'm not expect if you call me them. If I tell you, yo, I go with my friend, I tell her like the man them. You know what the man them. Ask you or whoever, you see me? I tell you I do with my friend them. You see me? If I feel like go there, I feel like say I should mention it just because I'll mention it. Because I don't feel like I need to tell you everything. But if I feel like just to avoid problem, if I mention something, I'll mention it, you see me? But if I do with my friend, when expect if you call me down. I don't mean clingy like physical, I mean like them type of vibes there. Like, you know nothing for you do?
Me feel bad.
You do them thing there?
Yeah.
You call a man girl and text like a man girl?
Me feel, what?
You text him down and something there? What did you do with your friend them?
Yes.
For what?
I know but I don't know. But me do it, but me feel bad because you say, me want to, me know me I
You
wonder.
have to ask him if you like that.
No, me I wonder if these are the things he say. What should I call me down for the
No,
class?
it's not, alright. My thing is, if me tell her say, yo, Me I go out today with my friend. Me tell her where we are going. You see me?
No, but
And
anything can happen, you know?
Me we text you.
No, but what if it's a case where your phone get mashed up, I don't know, your phone fly through the window and next car will drive over it and you can't contact me and they look at something there. But
where your brain?
no,
Like, you just,
but no.
how that come in your brain
no,
just a while ago?
anything can happen.
That's such a wild thing to happen though.
But it can happen, like anything can happen.
So that's why you call him though?
Yes, me need to know, like, me not call you down for your
This is your reason. This is your reasoning.
Shut up.
This is your reasoning. How is this your reasoning?
No, me not call him every minute. If you like talk to him and on the phone long or whatever, I just want to say, alright now, that's it. That's it. I just want to say, alright.
Me as a man,
any little thing.
Me as a man, if you tell me I go somewhere, I go tell her when I leave up, I tell her when I reach. I tell her when I leave up, I tell her when I reach. You see me? And we text her one time in between what me I do or whatever. Me not got text her the entire time during.
No, I'm not saying
first of all, if I go with my friend and I on their phone, that's annoying. Like if me and a friend and me go and just cancel it on your phone, that's so annoying.
Me feel so bad.
No, like my friend them, if me tell them, so like if we say we are link up, dog, and like the entire time you're there on, that's so annoying, brother. One of my friend, I go tell the story, asking, I go tell the story. One of my friend, him did have this girlfriend. You see me? Not asking, he have this girlfriend, and she was mad clingy. You see me? But only we could have seen it. Him could have seen it, you know. And she was just so annoying. One time the dog in the car with me. You see me? I come from town. We are vibing, we hardly see each other. I come from town. Jesus Christ. That girl was up on the phone, on the back. Me asking in the front now, we are vibing now, we are vibing, that's the music. You know, let's try somebody get a call, you turn on the music, let go. Turn on the music. This man did not come off the phone. So yeah, I say. Yeah, but me there on my way, I'm soon come there at Kingston. My past Sovereign now. All the time!
No, I'm not like that. But me call you to just know what's up. Like, I'm not calling 24/7, but me just need to know. Because anything can happen.
I'll text you and let you know that, yo.
But text good too.
Yeah, but we're not going to text you back. We're not going to have a conversation during the text. I'm going to just make you know what I go on. Make you know say, yo, I'm good, I reach, we have fun now. Or if something happen where funny, I'm going to say, yo, girl, like, at least they know all the way in a place or something like that. But next time if I text you and I say, oh, we are going now. We are parked.
No, that's stupid.
We are parked. We are going now. We just pay our money. We just pay our money. We just pay our armband. We are walk. Like some girls want that type of update. Some girls wouldn't mind to go with that camera on your forehead. You don't want that? You don't want to see when I do every...
No, we don't want that.
You don't want to see what I do every minute of the day?
No.
Alright, side conversation. Do you think...
don't like that. No.
Alright, side
That's
conversation.
too far.
Side conversation. Do you think your spouse is supposed to know everything about you?
No. I don't think... I hope you're not watching this.
Let me explain.
You're telling me the truth.
I'm going to watch him. I'm going to send him. And I'm going to watch. Let me... Listen. I feel like certain things supposed to just be between you and the world. You're supposed to know even everything. First of all, you're supposed... Jada Kingdom song, all of my business. You don't even know everything, dog, what happened before. Like, if a girl ask me what happened before, I'm just like, dog, boy, I write a book. Or a history book, make it read. Because, like, you don't even know what happened before, you know?
That's
The most I'll do if I'm there with a girl is, if one girl, when we used to link a friend her, I tell her, say, yo, me and the girl they used to link. You see, like, we would make you know that. You see me? Because I'm not make you look like a clown. I'm not make a girl that itch up on you. And
I know, say.
Exactly. So I'm going to say, yo, me and the girl they used to link. You see me? But I don't feel like you're supposed to know every single thing. Because you go scarred.
I mean, sometimes it depends again. Because with my partner, I ask him like what, not what you sound as in its entirety, but like, me want like, you know, me suppose, me can't have my close friend and you and I come in and know.
You're going to tell them, no, them thing they explain.
Yes, but that is before me, so I need to know all of that. I don't want to have my close, good friend and no, say, oh no, you used to whatever.
If your friend,
like,
me soon go back to the main conversation.
Why me feel like
me soon go back to the main conversation. If your friend, alright, your friend and a man left, you see me? Our ex, right? You think it's alright to deal with your friend ex?
No.
Foolish, Sasha.
What you mean?
Like your friend ex, but them left. Like good while now, when you chat to her and say, yo.
No, me not go, no.
I'm sorry, what I do with my friend named ex? Yo, man, them, if I watch this, what I do with the ex log, like, it on the left. When never married, on the left. No, that's bad.
That's bad. What you mean? Me don't know. But
Suppose that she's supposed to be my wife.
Oh.
Suppose that she's supposed to be my wife, and she just did end up in her wrong hands, cause she make bad decisions in her life. We'll take a break right now. And say, "Call girl." And we're back. So guys, what did I say before? Anyways, I'm gonna tell you the conversation. Because, alright, I don't feel like I'm gonna deal with a friend X. Suppose another person that is supposed to be your love. I don't care. I just feel like say it just you did to talk to the person and tell them before. So, you know,
I am
like
against it. I am not. Me not think that is something I would do. I mean, if you don't know, well, no, I don't think that is something I would do.
Alright, I would be my friend's ex, because my friend X is nice.
You're
disgusting. And back to our original conversation. Do guys secretly like clingy girls? Her answer was...
They do.
Alright, so apparently guys secretly like clingy girls.
Ish.
I feel like it. I just feel like it on a level. Just for me, you just can't be too clingy. You see me? And with that being said, that's another episode of Why Not Wednesdays. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Go over to Sari's channel and subscribe. Her link will be in the description. Big up on yourself. Make up.